everyone. Today we will learn about the section 4 of unit 7. This is actually a poem, My Only Cry. Close the Arms Factory. What is the meaning of this heading? Why the child is requesting to adults close the arm factories? Arms means what? First of all, arms means weapons, bullets, bomb making you can say, right? XYZ, which is spreading terror around the world. That what is used in terrorism? That is arms, and that is why the child is saying, my only cry, only one thing I want to request you all, close the arm factory. Before beginning this poem, let's do the hard words. Breakout. Breakout means beginning or starting of something. Deceiving means hiding, cheating, tricking, making people fool. Right wing politics means political policies, political policies followed by political parties. How many political parties name do you know? Can you speak? BJP, RJD, JDU, Congress, Aam Janata Party. So many parties are there, right? Next one is taming. Taming means to develop a control over something. To develop a control over something. Well of dust. Well means what? A kind of layer. And well of dust means a layer of dust covering something. Let's begin the poem now. Why are you deceiving? The child is asking to all the adults, those who are listening to him or her. She is asking, why are you deceiving? Deceiving means why you are making the people fool. You ask me to speak to children. What you are telling as an adult, what our elders are teaching to us? We must speak to the children. But I shall also address you, the grown-ups. If I am a child, then I should address you. Address you means whenever you are pointing out at someone or you are calling someone, you are speaking the name. Here the child is saying grown-ups to the adult people. I am still a child. I don't know how to lie like you. What is the meaning of lie? Lie means speak untrue words. I am a still child. I am still a child. I don't know how to lie like you. As being a child, I don't know, adults are speaking untrue words. All the children of the world, adults of the world, could not rebuild what you destroy. Right? Because of, enmities. Many countries are becoming just enemies of each other and they are destroying many things. First of all, what they are destroying, you know better? They are destroying the peace in the nation. Whenever any war are there, how is going to be affect our life? It is going to completely destroy the peace and harmony from our life. So that is why the child is saying here, a better world won't be able to be rebuilt. Without you, the adult, if we want to do some good work, adult support is always needed. You know that our cries are useless. Children are knowing that if they are speaking true words, then also the elder people will ignore them, will always ignore them. That is why the child is saying that our cries are useless. In a deaf word. See beta, why the child has used here deaf word? The word which cannot listen to anyone. And that is why the child is saying deaf word. Now my friends, let's not talk of friendship, peace and fellowship. Whosoever my friends are there, they now do not talk about friendship, harmony, peace, fellowship, right? Brotherhood. These words should be spoken by adults. We as a children should not speak this word. But you as adult people, you must believe in this word. You must speak in this word. Enough promises. Enough waiting. Come everyone. Ask them to stop making arms. The child is now tired. The child is tired because of not having peace in their small beautiful world, and that is why the child is saying to his all other friends that enough promises our adult people, our elders have done with us. We have waited for them to live in peace. Enough. Now the time has come. We must come together and tell our adult people, our elders, to stop making arms. If arms will not be there, how they are going to be fight with each other? And if arms won't be there, they cannot harm to one another. And that is why children, a wonderful point has bring in view of all of us. To stop making wars, to stop making wars, break out means start something. To stop telling lies, listen carefully. We are sick, you are sick, but we are here, right? What do you mean by sick here? Here sick means health wise I am not talking about. Here sick means we all are dependent on each other, right? Any work cannot be done alone. To do any successful work, we must need the support of each other. And that is why children are saying that I am unable to do, you are unable to do, but we all are here. And so, in your name, we children, we ask them, close your arm factories and think about taming the winds. Taming means to get the wind under the control. Right wing politics matters little to us. Whatever our political leaders are doing in between their internal matters, we do not care about them. It is very much little for us. We are children. Left wing politics matter little to us. Our life is essential. Affection. Essential means very, very important. What do you mean by essential? Essential means very, very important. And affection means love and care. But through your fault means mistake. Through your fault, whose fault here the child is talking about? The fault of elders, those who are making arms, weapons. A well of dust lies over it, and because of you, our childhood has been covered with veil of dust, a cover of dust, right? So I think that this request will be reached to everyone, and all will try to make our world wonderful. Thank you so much.